All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Chevy Impala. It is the LT model, this beautiful black with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, alloy wheels, super nice. Only 22,000 miles, and best of all, no damage around the bodies. Go real quick, your front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your front hood. Looks good. Your front fender. Looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is under 4/32. Oh, my gauge is busted. Hold on one second, folks. Ah, we got it. It's been reading all of my tire threads wrong. Over 4/32 right here, as you can see. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread here is over 7/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. It does come with two key fob combos. Very nice. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 22,930. Very nice. Open up the trunk. Turn on the lights. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear trunk space looks okay. Here's your rear. It's a spare tire right here. So you can see there are no spare tire with some tools and stuff like that. Sorry. Deck lid looks pretty good. Quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. A rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread over 7/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. And your tire thread is at 5/32. It looks like it doesn't quite align this light with this fender. Don't know why. The light in the fender and the bumper here does not quite match up there. Just to let you know, maybe the light needs to be adjusted or something. All right, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Chevy Camaro LT model with 22,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.